Extraordinary things happening because of your generosity, Kansas City. 2 months ago, during the 1KC Day of Caring, your donations added up to more than $2 million. $2 million to help people impacted by this pandemic. 41 Action News anchor Cynthia Newsom checking in with the United Way and the Community Foundation to find out how that money is making a difference in our community. Cynthia.
Well, the news is all good, Kevin. It's actually amazing. Some people may not know that the $2 million donated in April for the 1KC campaign, well, it's now $17 million. Corporations and organizations added their support. So now people in charge of the Response and Recovery Fund are making sure that people are getting help. With COVID-19 claiming lives and closing businesses, the advisory board governing $17 million in donations wasted no time setting up priorities for relief. Item 1, helping agencies and nonprofits providing health care needs.
With a particular focus on ensuring access to COVID-19 testing, supporting tracing and supported isolation efforts. We have invested in mental health programs.
Item 2, relief for food insecurity. Thousands of people who lost their jobs and incomes suddenly didn't have enough money for food. So the advisory board funded numerous food pantries.
Traditional food pantries who adopted a drive-through model in the crisis. Food distribution programs such as Meals on Wheels continued and expanded.
So many people living paycheck to paycheck couldn't pay their rent or mortgage. So the Response and Recovery Advisory Board of neighborhood leaders, foundation, and nonprofit executives awarded grants to social service groups and nonprofits helping with the housing crisis.
So a range of housing supports, whether it be financial assistance to prevent eviction, to help people keep their utilities on.
Funding organizations providing child care services for frontline workers was another priority.
We focused on distributing money for urgent human service needs, for housing, for food insecurity, for healthcare access, for child care access, and it is making a difference.
In 2 months, the advisory board awarded $10 million to more than 260 nonprofits and social service groups. And now the advisory board is setting up new priorities for the remaining $7 million, focusing on recovery.
Housing stability, getting people back to work, making sure that as this virus continues for the months ahead, we are giving the support systems to places that need it the most.
And they're expected to issue a new round of grants in just a few weeks. If you need help because of COVID-19 or any other reason, do not hesitate to ask. All you have to do is jump on the United Way website, click on the Get Help tab, and scroll down, and you'll see they have all kinds of categories for help. Basic needs, consumer assistance, criminal justice, education, the list goes on. Nonprofits can actually apply for a grant through the Greater Kansas City Community Foundation. I'm Cynthia Newsom, 41 Action News, back to you.